Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use card on iPhone Easy Guide. Open Wallet, tap the plus sign, capture or enter your card details, and complete verification with your bank right away. I'll walk you through setting a default card, managing contactless payments, and troubleshooting common issues like declined transactions or pending verification. Stay relaxed, follow each step, and you'll be paying with Apple Pay in no time. Let's manage your cards together so payments feel effortless. I'll show how to set a default card, rename cards for clarity, and remove outdated ones safely. You'll learn how to reorder cards in Wallet, check recent transactions, and enable notifications for payments and card activity. These small steps prevent payment hiccups and keep your wallet tidy, so every checkout is smooth and confident. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation. On another note, when you're stepping out to tap and pay, treat your feet too. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort that lasts. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Contactless payments are fast, and I'll make them even easier for you. Practice holding the top of your iPhone near the reader, then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode when required. I'll cover using Express Transit for quick bus and train taps, and how to troubleshoot readers that don't respond. With a little practice, you'll tap and go with confidence, no fumbling or delays at checkout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.